Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement about my products on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. So we'll talk about that in a moment. And then we have some bonuses for you. So if you want to know what these bonuses are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Obviously, when you go and buy the copy from my link below, you will get these bonuses. But what are they exactly and how to get them, you will find the information in the end. And we'll also discuss the way to make money for long term using my method. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And coming back to the video now, so below there it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. I want you to click there, and then you will see some launches I have done. So these three are software, one is PLR, but these three are very cool software which will help you if you're a marketeer or individual or whosoever you are. This will definitely help you because the first one is very cool. It generates helps you generates images. So let me show you Drishyam AI. Okay, so if you click here, right click and then click on open link, that's the page. Okay, so it says create stunning AI visuals in seconds, and then you can go and watch this demo video, and then there are sample images which I can show you. So you can generate graphics like these using this Drishyam AI. So go and check out this. This will surely help you if you want to generate some cool thumbnails or some ebook covers or whatever. Okay, so go and check out this in your free time. Go and watch the demo. Drishyam AI is a very fantastic software for generating images you will never see anywhere else. Okay, go and check that how that works. Then we have Launch to Profit AI. Right click here and then click on open in new link, and then you have to go and watch this demo video again. This helps you to create all the campaigns. Okay, all affiliate campaigns you can think of, email copy, review articles, scripts, this and that. It's totally going to generate unlimited content for you all in a one-time thing. So go and check out this Launch to Profit AI, and if you want to generate some images, visuals, check out Drishyam AI. Similarly, check out this Review to Profit AI. So go and check out these things in your free time and watch the video till the end. Let's start the review now. Alright guys, let's do this AiHost review. So right now we are on a sales page. Now how do you get to the sales page? For that you have to click the link below my video which will be saying grab AiHost copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Okay, and as the name says AiHost, so it's a clear offer. There's nothing to think about. It's about hosting your website in one-time cost. Okay, so it says the first AI website creation suite is here, full cloud hosting with cPanel access and 99 AIs, including just released Cloud Fable 5.0. So you will get the hosting as well as inside you will get AI. Okay, so that you can create content for your website or images or stuff like that. Okay, so it's fully cloud-based AI-powered website creation and hosting suite with lifetime access, host unlimited websites and domains, and 99 premium paid AIs included, blazing fast loading sites. So as the name simply says, it's hosting with AI features inside. Okay, the price is $12 only to start with. So if you want the front end, you can get this right now in just only $12. Okay, and if I just scroll down right at the bottom to keep this short, we have some question answers. So it says, is AiHost cloud based? Yes. Does AI cost monthly? No. Tech skills needed? No. Are others using? Yes. Are there restrictions? Well, you have to upgrade. Okay, so is support when included? Yes. So you can go and buy the front end in only $12. You will find the link below my video, and you will also get the bonuses. So make sure you keep watching the video, and the bonuses are right here. So you can see the bonuses are linked to the sales page. Okay, so these are my bonuses. The link of the bonuses is already linked to the sales page, so if you go and buy from me, the bonuses will be delivered automatically. Okay, let's talk about the OTOs right here. So the front end I have shown you $12. You can go and get it right now, and this is OTO 1 36. You can see these prices, they will increase, so go and grab them fast because it's a dime sale, I guess. So what do you get in front end? So you can go and check out these features. You can pause the screen, read everything here in the front end. This is what you will be getting. Okay, and then let's see OTO number one. Is it Pro? So they just say Pro and done for you, so they don't say OTO 1 or 2 IMAX. So that's it, right? So you have to go and pick and choose, because when you go and buy the front end, you will be taken to the relevant OTOs. There you can read everything on the sales page and you can pick and choose. You can upgrade if you want to, or you can leave if you don't want to. So you can, if you want unlimited license or more storage, you will obviously have to upgrade. In $12 you can't get everything. You understand that, right? Anyway, so if you want to get this AiHost website hosting, then go and get this from my link below. And also in the beginning I told you about this Drishyam AI. So in case you want to create visuals like these awesome visuals for your graphics, for your website, for anything, then go and get this Drishyam AI as well. And now watch the video till the end as we speak about how to make money online and how to get the bonuses. Alright guys, now we are done with the review and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link and then you enter your name and email and then you will come to this page. This is forex trading. Okay, so when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video. Okay, you can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge and should you go and join this program or not. Okay, this is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money. Okay, it's an investment thing. You know, forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment. Okay, you have to have the money. Okay. So right from the beginning, this option trading, forex trading is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay. It's not for you. No headaches, right? It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link, right? Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You know, you don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial. Okay, the testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. You know, if your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but it, you know, something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You know, you watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money. Okay, and then obviously you can watch more testimonials and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video. You can sell your services, whatever. Okay, so this is it. And this screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay, so go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually. Okay, I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything. Okay, but you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because you know it depends what your expertise is. Okay, if you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis. Get the knowledge first. Okay, and get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also you also get the software, the system inbuilt, from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay, so I have attached the screenshot here, so you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot. Okay, but you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions. Okay, so anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one-to-one, you're not sure what is suitable for you. You should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one-to-one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing. Okay, so you can drop me an email. after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment. Okay. So let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder so that you can do it for free. Okay. And Kiss Jacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I am giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions. Okay. And last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners. Okay, so you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses. And if you have any questions, you can always email this to me. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading or go and get Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me. And you can get Kiss Jacking if you want to, or just do whatever you like. Okay, so subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.